Hi, my birthday gift is here. It's a gift from my husband, and I really wanted this watch from Pierre Lannier, and I ordered it from France. Now I'm gonna open the box. I have a scissor. Okay, here we have a branded box and this filling for the box. Okay, let me see it. Alright. Pierre Lannier, Paris. Probably I'm not pronouncing this right. There is another box here. And here is the watch. Here you are. Very beautiful, classic. There are very delicate stones around here. Very delicate watch. I'm gonna show it on my wrist. Yay! So beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Okay. It's a little bit loose. Here. That's the size of it. My wrist is 16 millimeter. The watch, the dial is 30 millimeter, and it's a gold dial. Really beautiful. I'm gonna put a link to the site into the description. I don't have affiliate links or something, just if you want to see the watches. Bye bye. Guys, the watch is amazing. I just wanted to show you something. It is about 8 minutes to 6 p.m. That's the French time, actually. It's not my time. It's the French time here ticking on my wrist. Bye bye.